Chocolate Bûche de Noël. This dessert is built on a chocolate shortcrust base, topped with a chocolate marshmallow and a double layer of financier sponge with a dark chocolate mousse. All of it sits inside the milk chocolate and hazelnut mousse, which balance the flavors and brings the entire structure together. In this video, I'll show you how to make the milk chocolate mousse. The other elements should already be familiar if you've been following my previous tutorials. If not, you will find links to each component in the description. At the end of the video, I'll also talk about the silicone mold I used, because the unmolding wasn't as smooth as it should have been. Milk chocolate and hazelnut mousse, light and nutty. It's excellent on its own and ideal for assembling an entremet. The combination of hazelnut praline and hazelnut liqueur sharpens the milk chocolate profile, giving this mousse a deeper, more defined flavor. You can use any milk chocolate you prefer. The recipe is calibrated to work across a wide range, not only couverture. Now I will walk you through the ingredients and method before the demonstration. Start with the gelatin. Combine the gelatin powder with the cold water, mix and let it stand for 5 minutes. If you prefer gelatin leaves, use the same weight in grams. Next, the cream. You can use heavy cream or thickened cream. Thickened cream simply contains added stabilizers, usually a small amount of gelatin. Either option works. Semi-whip it and keep it chilled. For the base, place heavy cream in saucepan with the frangelica liqueur and hazelnut praline. Any hazelnut liqueur is fine, and the praline can be homemade, similar to the almond praline tutorial on my channel, which I will link in the description. A supermarket hazelnut spread will also work. Just keep in mind the high sugar content will make the mousse slightly sweeter, though not excessively. Heat the mixture to a simmer, add the bloomed gelatin and stir until dissolved. Then pour it over the milk chocolate and blend with a stick blender until completely smooth. Cool the mixture to 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Fold in the semi-whipped cream and it's ready to assemble the cake. The unmolding was challenging. This mold has a lot of fine details that create wood grain texture. I was also using a standard freezer at -18 degrees Celsius rather than -24. I do this deliberately so I can be sure the results are achievable for anyone watching. If you have access to -24 degrees freezer, use it. My observation with this particular mold is that it needs more mousse and smaller insert. More mousse in contact with mold gives better structural support. I pushed the insert all the way down so I could fit the marshmallow insert, and that may have contributed to the issue. I'll be testing this mold again along with the nutcracker mold to correct the mistakes and determine the best approach.